If you're looking to buy a used vehicle, it's important to choose one that gets great reviews. It should be reliable and built well so it holds its value and is reliable transportation long after you drive away from the lot. The Honda CR-V is a compact crossover SUV that delivers a balance of style, versatility, and comfort. It entered its fourth generation in the model year 2012, with revised interior and exterior treatments, enhanced power, and a host of new equipment and innovative technologies. It's a 5-passenger CR-V available in both front-wheel and all-wheel drive configurations, each with a choice of 3 trim levels. All are powered by a 185 horsepower, 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. The LX is equipped with 16-inch styled steel wheels, auto-off headlights, air conditioning, a CD player with MP3 compatibility, and a USB audio interface. EX trims add a power sunroof, 17-inch aluminum wheels, fog lights, privacy glass, and a security system. The EXL is further outfitted with roof rails, heated front seats, leather upholstery, dual-zone automatic climate control, and satellite radio. A DVD rear entertainment system, RES, was made available for the first time on the CR-V EXL, along with voice-activated navigation. Safety features found on every CR-V include anti-lock disc brakes with brake assist, vehicle stability assist with traction control, front seat mounted side airbags, front and rear side curtain airbags, and a tire pressure monitor. New for 2012 was the multi-angle rear view camera, which was also standard on all trim levels for that year. The Honda CR-V consistently is rated as one of the top crossovers in its category. If you're looking for a used CR-V anywhere in the GTA, our sales team will help you find it. Visit us at PrudentValueCars.com for more on the Toyota Camry and other great reliable used vehicles for the smart car buyer.